have seen many people spending months trying to get their first 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. When getting subscribers now is not easier than ever before. So in today's video, I'll be telling you some ways you can get your first 1,000 subscribers. Getting subscribers is very easy just if you do it the right way. A lot of people may know these ways I'm talking about, but they are not doing it the right way. That is why after getting subscribers, the next day YouTube will start removing your subscribers, deducting your subscribers. Yes, sometimes it might be inactive subscribers that YouTube they are removing from the subscribers. Why sometimes it's because you are not doing it the right way. That is why YouTube is deducting your subscribers. So the first on my list is YouTubers comment section. Getting your subscribers through popular YouTubers comment section. I know a lot of people know about this, yes, but they are not doing it the right way. So what you need to do when you want to get your subscribers through your popular YouTubers comment section, you go to the comment section. First thing is to watch the video from beginning to end. If you are not subscribed to that person's channel, please subscribe to the person's channel. Comment something relating to that video and like the video. Then you go to the comment section. People, you'll be checking comments that are already there. You can click on it and be checking their page. If it's advisable to subscribe to people that have relative niche to your niche, so that when you guys subscribe to each other channels, at least if they are seeing your video, they'll like to watch. If you are seeing their video, you like to watch. It's not that you are into cooking video and somebody is into DIY video and you subscribe to each other's like channels. Most times you don't really want to watch their video because it's not something related, it's not something you want to know about. So that is why it's advisable to subscribe to, when you are doing it that way, to subscribe to someone that has niche that is relating to your own niche. So you go to their comments. If you have seen the person you want to subscribe to the channel, you can even go to the person's video, go to the person's channel, watch the person's video, also like there on the comment section, comment something relating to that video too. Then you can write, let's support each other, and the person will subscribe to your channel. You already subscribed to the person's channel. It's very easy. For a lot of people, the way I used to see a lot of people do, they'll just like your video, your comment on someone's video, like your comment and say follow back. I'm waiting. That is not how it is done, because if you are doing it like that, YouTube will know that you are trying to get subscribers on other people's channel, and YouTube will deduct your subscribers. Why the second on my list is creating multiple channels. You can create here on YouTube. Since we are using our Gmail, you can create a lot of Gmails. Then use it to log into YouTube. Since you are trying to achieve your first 1,000 watch hour, then use the extra channels you create to subscribe to your main channel. It's going to help you, and it's not a must to have just one channel. You can have different channels doing different things there, but if you cannot handle it, just focus on your first channel. Handle your first channel, get your first channel monetized first before maybe thinking of creating other channel, maybe focusing on other channel you already have them. And do you know that your popular YouTubers also have other channels? Those channels that you used to see, those their channel, they have another channel apart from that, maybe 2, 3. Like Bible Sonia now. I think she has more than 3 channels. She have Bible Sonia, she have Make Money with Sonia, she have the one that she posts her day-to-day activities. She has different channels. So you can use that to get your 1,000 subscribers. The third on my list is posting of shorts. A lot of people don't know that posting of shorts makes you get more subscribers. I just created the channel. I think it was in last month. Yes, I just created a new channel. I wanted to start posting my day-to-day activities and all on the channel. And without sharing I did not share my link. I did not go to people's comment section. I just started posting. I wanted to get genuine people that okay, they are subscribing to my channel because of what I post. I started posting of shorts. Yes, I have long form video there, but I started posting of shorts. And I think within 2 days, I got 40 subscribers. Just 2 days. And if I continue posting, I'm going to get more subscribers. So posting of shorts, because shorts, it tends to go viral more than your long form video. So when your short goes viral more than your long form video, a lot of people want to subscribe to your channel through that. So if you want to achieve your 1000 subscribers, post shorts. I know many YouTubers out there are saying you should not post shorts, it's harming your channel and all. If you want to achieve your goal, you have to do something. Then after posting of shorts, you have gotten your 1000 subscribers, you can stop. You can maybe post once in a while. Or you in a day you can post like 5 shorts just to get your subscribers. Why the fourth on my list, which is the final one, is joining a Telegram channel. A lot of YouTubers, the one I know is Vibe with Sonia. You can go to her channel and you will see the link there. Join our Telegram group. Join our Telegram group. If you join our Telegram group, they used to do subscription for subscription over there. So you can just tell someone, especially when you have multiple accounts and you look for somebody that has multiple accounts channels too. You tell them, oh, I see the amount of channel I have. The person will tell you to. Then all your channel, you need to go and follow, subscribe to our main channel, the person's channel. That one to all our channel, all his channel. They'll use it to subscribe to your own channel too. Then you move over to another person. Within 3 days, if you want to take this thing serious, within 3 days and you dedicate your time to it, trust me, you're going to get your 1000 subscribers. It is not a joke. It's something that has been tested and trusted. It has worked for a lot of people. Me, this is my channel now. It's posting of shorts that actually help me. Yeah. So all these points I have mentioned here, they have been tested and trusted. They work. If you do all these points, all these things I've mentioned, if you do it, dedicate your time to do it, you are going to get your 1K subscribers within 3 days. Even okay, let's just say a week. Within a week, you are going to get your 1K subscribers. So if you know that really you are struggling to get at least 1K subscribers, you just do these things. You are going to get it. And once again, I'm encouraging you not to give up on YouTube. YouTube actually pay. And shout out to Vibe with Sonia. Congratulations on your new car, mama. Congrats, more wins and all. So you guys can see like, oh, she got a new car. YouTube money, she's earning, and you want to give up when people are using money, YouTube money to get car. You want to give up. Please don't give up. Don't give up. Yeah, don't give up. Continue to post out your content, and we have come to the end of today's video. If you learned one or two things from this video, please do well to like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to this channel. And as I always, and I will always say, if you have any question at all, kindly put your question in the comment section. I am going to reply you. Bye. See you all in my next video.